Excavator's name collection. Bucket wheel excavator. Bucket wheel excavator. Bucket wheel excavator. A giant excavator with a rotating bucket wheel that continuously digs huge amounts of soil and coal. Excavator rock saw. Excavator rock saw. Excavator rock saw. An excavator fitted with a rock saw for cutting through rock and concrete with precision. Demolition excavator. Demolition excavator. Demolition excavator. A powerful excavator designed to safely tear down buildings and other structures. Crawler excavator. Crawler excavator. Crawler excavator. A tracked excavator that works well on rough, muddy, and uneven terrain. Spider excavator. Spider excavator. Spider excavator. A specialized excavator with adjustable legs for working on steep slopes and difficult ground. Ripper excavator. Ripper excavator. Ripper excavator. An excavator equipped with a ripper tooth to break up hard soil, frozen ground, and rock. Tree harvester excavator. Tree harvester excavator. Tree harvester excavator. An excavator with a harvesting head that cuts, grips, and processes trees efficiently. Magnet excavator. Magnet excavator. Magnet excavator. An excavator fitted with a powerful magnet for lifting and sorting metal scrap. Ballast excavator. Ballast excavator. Ballast excavator. A railway excavator used to maintain and shape the ballast beneath train tracks. Suction excavator. Suction excavator. Suction excavator. A vacuum excavator that safely removes soil without damaging underground utilities. Front shovel excavator. Front shovel excavator. Front shovel excavator. A mining excavator with a front-facing shovel for loading ore and rock into haul trucks. Straddle carrier excavator. Straddle carrier excavator. Straddle carrier excavator. A heavy machine that lifts and transports large shipping containers around ports and terminals. Bantam cable excavator. Bantam cable excavator. Bantam cable excavator. A classic cable-operated excavator that uses steel cables to dig and lift heavy materials. Long reach excavator. Long reach excavator. Long reach excavator. An excavator with an extra long boom for dredging rivers and reaching distant work areas. Steam excavator. Steam excavator. Steam excavator. An early excavator powered by steam engines before modern hydraulic technology. Auger excavator. Auger excavator. Auger excavator. An excavator fitted with a spiral auger for drilling holes for poles, trees, and foundations. Clamshell excavator. Clamshell excavator. Clamshell excavator. An excavator with a clamshell bucket for digging deep holes and handling loose materials. Scrap handler excavator. Scrap handler excavator. Scrap handler excavator. A high-reach excavator built to load, sort, and move scrap metal efficiently. Barge-mounted excavator. Barge-mounted excavator. Barge-mounted excavator. An excavator mounted on a barge for dredging and construction work on water. Diaphragm wall grab. Diaphragm wall grab. Diaphragm wall grab. A specialized machine used to dig deep, narrow trenches for foundation walls. Log grapple excavator. Log grapple excavator. Log grapple excavator. An excavator fitted with a log grapple for grabbing, lifting, and moving tree logs quickly and safely. Dragline excavator. Dragline excavator. Dragline excavator. A large cable-operated excavator that uses a drag bucket for mining and large-scale excavation. Excavator compactor roller. Excavator compactor roller. Excavator compactor roller. An excavator fitted with a compaction roller to compress and stabilize soil. Hydraulic hammer excavator. Hydraulic hammer excavator. Hydraulic hammer excavator. An excavator equipped with a hydraulic breaker for demolishing concrete and breaking rock. Port material handler. Port material handler. Port material handler. A heavy-duty machine designed to load, unload, and move bulk cargo in ports.